right, boys and girls, so this is your weekly overview in writing for the week of January 25th through the 29th. As you can see in writing, it looks like Monday and Tuesday are grouped together, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this week and next week, we are going to work on managing our time. So time management, right? We know we're given that big 2-hour chunk of time, but how do we break that down as writers to make sure that we are able to read, plan, and write an informational essay? So on Monday and Tuesday, when I open up these folders, you guys will see we're going to meet at 9 o'clock. However, we are using this time on both days to complete that monthly athletics scrimmage. That's going to be our live meeting. If you could, on either Monday or Tuesday, go ahead and print the red Tide articles so that they are ready for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. They are located here. They are also right here on the very front when you first logged in. Then on Wednesday through Friday, during our meeting, we are going to participate in a Beat the Clock challenge. I know that many of you are wondering, what is that? So I will explain that during our live meeting. You just need to have with you the Red Tide articles, a piece of notebook paper, probably 2 or 3 pieces, and a very sharpened pencil. All right, so make sure you have these articles. We will be using them this week and part of next week. If you have any questions, let me know.